Okay everybody, we're going to show you real quick here how to put the feet on the bottom of what we are calling the Eastern Miller bottom board. And what we're doing is coming in approximately 2.5 inches on the bottom. Okay, putting our marks there, 2.5 in. And then on the front edge we're coming in 4.5. And marking that as well. Where it's really important is on the inside. You want to, where this is 7/8 of an inch stock, you're going to come in 1.5 inches, 1 5/8. Put your marks. On this front edge, you're going to come in 4.5. Put your marks. And then if you have a piece of stock that is the same width as this, but chop it off so it will fit inside the box. So you can kind of get a shot of what I'm doing there. Mark your line on either side. Same way with here. Mark your line, either side. And then when you staple, you put this on underneath. Put your mark here. Put your mark here. Do it again here. We will take a bead of glue. We'll open it up first. And can you line that up for me over there on the mark? Okay, I'm just going to put this underneath there to hold that end up nice. Yeah. Flush on either side. Now you're going to staple just inside your marks. Probably want to use at least 4. Make sure you get a couple of staples in the middle. That'll keep your plywood nice and flat for you on the front. So once you paint everything here, then that'll preserve your wood. And then of course now on this one, we're just simply going to do the same. So you have your mark there. Good. Okay, good and flush. So once again, just inside your pencil mark. You might even like to staple one end and then the other so you know it doesn't move. And that way there, you don't have any staples. Your marks kept you straight. I know it's going to be hard to see on the video, but this hole and this cutout is just to reduce the amount of wood on wood. We would recommend painting first, all of this, before you apply these. But just for the sake of time, we just decided to do this for you today. This cutout is, if you choose to use a strap to go up and around your hive, then you can just feed it through there if you like. Again, that's however you choose to batten down your hives. And again, just to keep the air flowing through it, keep it nice and light as well. But that's how we would do that. That's what we call the Eastern Miller board. Thanks to the Colpitts up in Petitcodiac and a little bit of a design from ourselves and them, I guess. We got their idea, brought it home, played around with it, and this is what it looks like. This is your slatted rack, and then we have a gate as well that will go in like this into the grooves. That's your summer gate, and then for migration you just simply flip that over. 1/8 holes here just to make sure that we have adequate ventilation during transportation. Nice and tight, the bees can't get out of there. We also recommend making sure that you paint all of this in around here. We do, with a bee-friendly paint everything in here as well, just so it helps them maintain good hygiene within the hive. Also, I guess what I wanted to tell you is, if you don't like the idea of the wood on wood in here, then simply apply a thumbtack on either side, and that'll give you the space that you're looking for. You can also do that here as well, which this though is only going to be temporary, obviously, for transportation, but we do have other ones that are a 1/4 inch for the winter time. So again, you can just apply thumbtacks, which would give you that space that you're looking for underneath, just to, you know, if you're worried about any premature rot or anything like that. So yeah, that's how we would apply the feet, and stay tuned. I will do one for our boxes to show you what we do on our corners. All right.